Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Your girl Uche Nwezi, vlogging from Port Harcourt, Nigeria. If you're new to my channel, please thank you so much for coming in and subscribing to my channel, because I know you're going to subscribe, okay? And please leave the notification bell on, so whenever I post new video, you'll be the first set of people to watch the video. And always engage, drop a comment and thumbs up this video. And this video is actually the part 3 of the video I've been making. I made it's a series. I told you guys I'm going to do part 1, so if you've not seen the part 1 and the part 2, maybe I'll just leave a card up or something so you can just click and watch those ones, or I'll leave the link on the description below so you can click and watch the part 1 and part 2 of the series, okay? So if you want to start up a YouTube channel in 2020, you need to watch this video to the end. It's going to be very short but straight to the point, okay? So you see, notice I didn't do most of my introduction and all those things. I'm going straight to the point. YouTube is like a gold mine, guys, for content creators. There is no doubt about it. In 2020, if you want to start your own YouTube channel, you need to consider the steps I'm about to give you right now, okay? That the best platform for solid creators to generate steady income is on YouTube, guys. Is on YouTube. So let's not complicate things here. You can generate steady income on YouTube if you can follow these steps, and if you can watch my first series, my part 1, part 2, and follow these steps. Definitely you're going to generate steady income on YouTube. Keep watching this video. First, I would like you to understand the video SEO and channel SEO. Did you understand? SEO stands for search engine optimization. You need to understand this very well. I'm speaking directly to all creators around the world, especially creators and content creators in Nigeria. I know a lot of you might have searched a lot of YouTube video and understand this, but I'm speaking directly to especially small YouTubers who are just starting off on YouTube in Nigeria or else in Africa or all over the world. You understand? I need you to understand this point I'm going to list out now. I need you to understand this point I'm listing out right now. You need to understand video SEO and channel SEO. It stands for search engine optimization. Do you understand? It's important for your video to be discovered and recommended by YouTube algorithm. Guys, this is very important. It's very important for YouTube to always suggest your video. So ask me, how do YouTube suggest your video? You must have gotten a lot of videos on your. I'm going to list out everything around here, or either I'll list it out here or I'll just leave it to just slide through so you can read and understand what I'm trying to say. It's important for YouTube to suggest and recommend your video, but before you get to that point, you need to have done a lot of homework for yourself. Yes, YouTube cannot just recommend or suggest a video when your channel has only 4 videos or 5 videos. Do you understand the chart? What determines channel SEO and channel SEO and video SEO? I'm going to list out what determines channel SEO and video SEO. So read out and understand what determines these two, okay? Read it out and understand. Let me not list it out so it won't take our time. Just read it and understand what I'm saying. Important for content creating, you understand? As long as your audience can hear you, as long as the environment is crystal clear, as long as the environment is good looking and it's fine, you are good to go. If you have the money for setup and everything, of course you can do setup. You can make your setup background everything beautiful, but you don't have those luxury and you can't afford it for now. Start up in a very good place and make sure you're audible enough so your people, your audience, your subscribers, anybody listening to you, watching you, can hear whatever you are saying. Do you understand this point? So first, before you can get those video SEO or channel SEO, you need to have good content. Very important. Good content. How to content, how to style this, how to do this, how to do this. Those videos gives a lot of apart from entertainment, apart from comedy, apart from prank and all those entertainment stuffs that gives a lot of views and a lot of people glued to your channel. These how to videos are videos also that can give you a lot of views and a lot of subscribers. Do you understand? My next point, guys, I can't overemphasize the importance of video consistency. I can't overemphasize it. I mentioned it in my first part 1. I mentioned it in my part 2. I will still mention it here, and I think I'll mention it in the 5 series. I can't overemphasize the importance of video consistency. Guys, you need to be consistent. You don't need to start off YouTube and post once in a week when nobody knows you. YouTube is large, it's big. YouTube is a continent. So if you want people to hear your voice, if you want people to watch those videos, those good content you have, if you want people to subscribe to you and always subscribe to you, basically, you need to have those videos. Keep uploading that video, guys. I mentioned in my part 1. I'll mention it again. No matter the view you have, even if you have 2 views in your first video, upload another one tomorrow, have another 2 views. Keep uploading. That's what gives you the guarantee of YouTube even recommending your video or suggesting your video. When I check through my analytics at times, I'm so happy because I see suggested video on my analytics. At times 50-something% of people that watch my videos on YouTube are suggested video that YouTube suggested to them, and they clicked and watched my video. Can you note down is encourage, subscribe, and engagement. Encourage it. Tell people to subscribe. Don't be shy about it. Tell people to subscribe to your channel. Tell people to engage. Tell them to give it thumbs up. If you can add a graphics or something about subscribe, like you always see that ad up here, let them, some persons don't know they need to subscribe to your channel. You understand? So encourage, subscribe, encourage them to subscribe, encourage them to leave the notification bell on, and make sure you be consistent. Don't tell them to leave the notification bell on and you know you won't be consistent. Be consistent and tell them to leave the notification bell. If you want, you can tell them how you post. If you post 3 times a week, if you post 2 times a week, also tell them how regular you post so they can stay tuned to your channel. You understand? So encourage that. YouTube algorithm is different from Facebook or Instagram. I know you understand. Contrary to Facebook or Instagram, where ads or something can boost your channel, can boost your Facebook page. On Facebook, ad can boost your Facebook. People will like your videos or your whatever you post on Facebook. Contrary to Facebook or Instagram, it doesn't work like that on YouTube. You understand? You cannot boost whatever on YouTube. You cannot boost your channel on YouTube. You cannot do ad on YouTube. You cannot boost anything on YouTube or like Facebook or Instagram. So the way YouTube works is totally different from the way Facebook or Instagram works. Do you understand that point? So you need, there's a lot of hard work on YouTube, a lot of hard work, but the hard work is easy because it's something that you can achieve. It's achievable. You understand? So I need you to stay consistent. I need you to put up those content out there. If you have those good quality content, don't be shy if you don't have a camera. If you have your phone, use your phone. Make sure you have good lighting and start off your YouTube journey. Okay, don't be shy about anything. If I show you my setup right now, you will so laugh, but I'm not shy about it, and I needed to do this video. That's why I'm putting out this content out here with all my points. I think you understand the point. Those points I'm making, I'll make sure I type it through so you can also read whilst I'm talking. Okay, so I'll just type it through and just slide it around this video so you can just read up and understand all the points I just mentioned. Take out time on Google to also read about it. That is very important. If you're an upcoming YouTuber, you need to understand how these things work so you can at least focus on it and run with a vision of YouTube. Do you understand? So So guys, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you've not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to leave a thumbs up, leave the notification bell on. This is very important for me. So I post every day. I don't know, I post every day, so or 2 times a day, but I post every day. So I need you to leave the notification bell on, so you can get notified whenever I make new videos. Okay, I do vlog, I do a lot of things on this channel, so stay tuned, stick around, leave a comment, engage in the community, leave a comment on, especially if you're a small YouTuber, please leave a comment on the comment section. Let's connect. Okay, very important. If you're a small YouTuber, leave a comment on the comment section, tell me you want to connect with me. I will also visit you, I will stay connected. Is that okay? I remain your girl Nwezi from Port Harcourt, Nigeria. Till I come your way next time, God bless you and bye bye.